What's the meaning of commando? Commando. Commando.
Commando. Commando. Commando is a noun that refers to a soldier or military unit trained to carry out surprise attacks and raids. The term originated from the Afrikaans word commando, which means small group or unit. In modern usage, the term has expanded to include special forces units in various countries' armed forces. These individuals are highly skilled in weapons, tactics, and survival skills, and they operate in high-risk situations that require quick decision-making, stealth, and precision. Commandos play a crucial role in modern warfare, often carrying out missions behind enemy lines with devastating impact on the enemy's morale and resources.